Hello, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to go ahead and show you a project I did a while ago. I have a new project I'm working on. Ran into a couple of snags, so I'm not be able to get that video out. But I wanted to show you this. I built this shed, 6-7 months ago. And when I was looking at the door, I didn't want to put a garage door on it that I had to come out and lift up and down every time I went in and out of the shed. But I also wanted to be able to get large things in and out of the shed. So this is my project that I came up with. I built these bifold doors. These are out of 2-inch angle iron. I put 3/4 OSB in them with metal glued on with contact cement. And then I put these hinges on the end. So now when I need to go in the shed, I can just open the door, go in and out of the shed like normal, like a normal door. But if I want to get something big in and out of the shed, I've got these 2 pins in here. Pull the pins like that, and then this door pivots in the middle. And opens all the way up so that I can get big stuff in and out. Since I don't have to do that very often, I figured it was no big deal if it took a little bit of work, but it really doesn't. It's pretty easy. It worked out pretty slick. You just bring it back in. Line up and drop the 2 pins. Secure. And I shut the door. Done. Worked out pretty good. So hey, if you like these projects I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, watch the video, and give me any comments that you may have, good, bad, or suggestions. That's what we're here for. Talk to you next time.